your girl Renee, and today I am going to be planting, let's see, this one is going to be a straight neck squash. I had to go to Lowe's today, and I had to buy a start because I didn't plant any squash. So I brought a couple of squash that I'm going to try, and I've never tried the straight neck. I usually get the crooked neck squash. So this is the one I'm getting, and it was by Bonnie, because you know that's how Lowe's rolls. I got the Bonnie straight neck. This is what it looks like. Looks really healthy. I checked it for any bugs on the leaves, because you know I'm tired of them caterpillars. So I didn't see anything. So I am going to be planting this in my pot. So let's get going, because I'm excited to get my squash in, and then I got a zucchini, and then I'm planting another squash. So and then I have a few other things over here in my wheelbarrow that I want to knock out too. So let me bring you on down so you guys can see exactly what Miss Renee is doing today. And it is a beautiful evening here in Virginia. Nice breeze, because I couldn't do this early in the day because child, it was just way, you hear me, way too hot. So I'm taking advantage of the cool, nice evening to get some planting done, because you know I'm in my paradise. This is where I live. This is my fun space. This is my happy space, and I love being with you guys in my happy space. All right, so let's get this planting going. So I'm gonna bring you on down so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, and I use that trick from Miss Linda. You know, Miss Linda always be shaking stuff in her coffee mate or her little can. Well, I've got this filled with that biotone fertilizer to give my plant's roots a good old boost. So thanks, Miss Linda, for this little trick, because you know I'm sure going to use this. All right, so let's dig our hole. Let's shake some of this wonderful starter fertilizer. I love it, because I don't have to be putting my hand in that bag no more. The only time I got to do that is to fill this thing up. All right, let's put this plant in the hole. Let's tap it on down. And there you go. And I got to put my little ticket in here, because I'll forget what I planted. And this year I'm trying to do really better about labeling all my plants. So let's move on to the zucchini. So let me move you over here so you'll be able to see what Miss Renee is doing over here. Hopefully you'll be able to see. Yep, right over here is where I'm going to put the zucchini squash. Even though I planted all them 17 zucchinis, I think, like Miss Linda said, I pushed the envelope too fast and I planted them too soon. So I've learned my lesson about planting them later in the season. All right, so guys, so let's get to planting this zucchini. What I did is I had a whole bunch of tulips in here, so I cut all the tulips down, and I am just going to put the zucchini right in the middle. So let's get it in here. Should fit perfectly in the middle. Yeah. Put some of this good fertilizer in here. Mix it up real good. Look at this. This one still has the seed pod on it. Look at that. That's all right. And this one is really, really dry. So we're going to just make sure that we're going to give it a good drink. Push it down in there. Cover it up with some good dirt. This tulip here. This way. So that tulip will be ready for next year. Alright, put a little ticket in here so I know this is my zucchini. Alright, let's move on to the next one. These pots are going to look so cute. Alright, let me turn you this way so you can see that next pot. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. Yeah, you will. Alright, let me move over there and get this one planted. Let's stick this one in here. And this one's going to be the straight neck. Loosen the roots a little bit. They don't really need it because they're a good looking plant. Get some dirt around it. Tuck it in. Alright, baby, do what you do. Alright, that's them all tucked in. Alright, you guys, so we've got everything all tucked in. And over here, I am going to plant some okra. Okra, okra. Let's get this okra in. You guys see me with the okra? Put you down a little lower. And I have red okra planted, but just to be on the safe side, I got some starts, and I'm going to try these crimson spineless okras. So we're going to try these bad boys and see what they look like. And this is what the plant looks like. Looks really healthy. So I think what I'm going to do is just separate these, because there's a lot of plants in here. So I think I can get, they're like one, there's like two. You see what I'm doing? See, I'm going to separate these plants so I can get my money's worth out of these plants. And I'm doing this in the cool of the evening. There's a lot of these plants. So there's like one here, two, you got 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I got 6 of these bad boys, and I'm just going to stick them in this pot here. So when I get them, I can just pull them on out of here. And I might put some of these in a big pot too. So I can have a pot of okra, and I'll put some of these in the ground. Put as many as I can in the ground. So let's get busy. And do you see my new fencing? I love it, because that'll keep my husband from mowing over my vegetable garden. So that's the purpose of the fence. So let's put some of these here. Because I have, let's see, got the red ones. So let's get the red ones here. These back here. There. See what I'm doing? And then I'll put in here. One right here. There. And red one here. I'm not sure. All right, guys, so I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to plant all these okras. And then when I get them all done, then I will come back and I will show you exactly what I did. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Guys, all my Clemson okras are in. I put them right along the back where my bell peppers are, because okra grows really tall, so they'll be tall in the back, and my okra will be able to grow and flex and, you know, spread their little stems out. And I put my peppers in the front, so that should be a good little match. So I've got a few of my red okras down here. There's my red okras. See? Got my red okras there. And then I have my Clemson green okras in the back. Alright, guys. Just wanted to let you know this project is completed. Woohoo! I am done with this. And tomorrow we'll be on with another project. I am coming to the end of my project so I can kick back and enjoy my garden. So excited. So with that, let me leave you with something beautiful in the garden. And this is my pineapple plant. Look at it close. See up close how you can see the pineapple? Isn't that beautiful? This is one of my favorite plants. And the ants love this plant. See? Looks just like a pineapple. Alright, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to know when Miss Renee has another video coming out, hit that notification bell. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up for if you like this content of this video. Alright, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, guys, take care. Bye-bye.